how to make money on Upwork as a travel blogger. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So let's get started by creating your account. So here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. And here you fill the usual information, the first name, last name, email, and so on. After that, you click on create my account. And for me, I'm just going to log in because I've already created my account in this platform. So here, this is the email. Continue with email. And enter the password. Click on login. Then you will proceed to setting up your Upwork profile. So this is the last step of setting up our profile, as you can see. So let's just go back to start from the beginning, from the first steps. And these are the first steps. So here, let's get started. And we have here some questions to go through, and they're not very important, so let's just skip them for now. Same thing with these other questions, skip for now. And for these boxes, make sure to check them all. Even the third one, which is I'm open to contract to hire opportunities. Then click on next to create a profile. And here you can choose from these three options. If you want to import your resume from LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file in your desktop or not. And if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So I'm going to go with the third option. It's better for me. Start a new profile. And here you enter your skill, which is travel blogger. Then click on next to add your experience. And here click on add experience. And you'll be able to add your previous work. And same thing with education as well. You can add it in here. Add education, and you can add where the school that you studied in, the degree, field of study, dates attended, description, and all of that. And let's just skip that as well for now. Then we proceed to add the languages. So here, English is a must in this platform. So let's choose my level in English is conversational. And here add another languages. So for me, my level in Arabic is native or bilingual. And I studied French as well. And my level in it is basic. Here, my level in French is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter your skills. In here you have some suggested skills based on your previous answers. You have here big blog commenting, blog writing, let's remove blog development, blog content, travel and hospitality, travel and blog, and that's it. And the maximum is 15 skills, so there is enough room to add as many skills as you have. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. Help people to get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit later. Just make sure you proofread now. So this is an example of a bio. As you can see, I'm a developer experienced in building websites for small and medium-sized businesses and so on. And guys, if you want to enter a good bio for your profile. Just go to ChatGPT and enter I'm a travel blogger, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and just copy and paste it in here. For me, I'm just going to take Marty's bio, even if it's not about travel blogging. I just want to fill this field, not to leave it empty, because I won't be able to proceed to the next step, which is choosing categories. Let's choose content writing, and then next set your rate or price. Let's go here with $20 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here for the photo, if you want to upload a photo, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself, and it must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so just keep this in mind, guys. And when you're done with setting up your profile, follow me to see how you can improve your profile to get as many clients as you can handle. Let's just go back to the main page, which is upwork.com. And here, in order to improve your profile, just take your skill and type it in the search box. Type your skill in here and search to see all of the competitors that are working in the same, that have the same skill as you do, and see what are they talking about in their bio, how much they get paid per hour, their job success, if they're top rated or not, their skills, and see what are they doing differently than you, and try to do like them, try to copy from them until you get clients. So here, just choose one of these competitors, the one that is very successful. So for example, let's choose the one that earned the most amount of money. So this one is good. She earned more than $200 and she gets $80 per hour, and she has 100% job success. So this is a good inspiration for us. You can just follow what she does and try to do the same for your profile. And if you want to find work easily, just click on find work, click on find work for your skills. And here you will see all of the jobs, all of the listed jobs that are looking for people with skills like you. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.